Honorable Deputy Speaker of National Assembly, Mr. Said Ghulam Mustafa Shah, Honorable Minister of Communication, His Excellency Mr. Abdul Halim Khan, Honorable Federal Minister of Justice and Law, His Excellency Mr. Azam Nazir Taraf, Honorable Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting, His Excellency Mr. Abdullah Taraf. Dear Excellencies, dear my brothers ambassadors, dear parliamentarians, dear media representatives, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to welcome and thank all of you for attending the book launch ceremony for the Urdu edition of the History of Patriotic War, The Personality Factor. The mentioned book highlights the glorious victory of the Republic of Azerbaijan in the 44-day Patriotic War, achieved thanks to the great statecraft experience and strong leadership of the victorious Supreme Commander-in-Chief of the Azerbaijan Armed Forces, President Ilham Aliyev, and our victorious army. And it's emphasized the importance of his personality in our proud history. It's also focused on the restoration of the country's sovereignty, extensive reconstruction in the liberated territories, and the return of the former internal displaced persons to their native lands. It is well known that for almost 30 years, Azerbaijan tried to resolve the Armenian-Azerbaijan conflict through negotiations with Armenia, which has occupied 20% of my territory. The talks yielded no results. On the contrary, it was clear that the Armenian side was simply trying to gain time to consolidate the status quo, to perpetuate it. Azerbaijan could not and didn't come to terms with the occupation. On 27 September 2020, a counter-offensive was launched in response to Armenia's yet another large-scale military attack on Azerbaijan army positions and civilian settlements. The counter-offensive later became known as Operation Iron Fist that led to the Patriotic War. President Ilham Aliyev's visionary and resolute policy, the economic power of Azerbaijan, the modern army, the unity between the people and the government were the primary contributors to the historic victory. The people of Azerbaijan, who had lived with the pain of a loss of land for centuries, put an end to this tradition and wrote another glorious and heroic chronicle of their history, proving to the whole world that they are victorious people with an indomitable spirit. The Patriotic War concluded Armenia's military aggression against Azerbaijan's sovereign territory, upheld Azerbaijan's territorial integrity, and restored the fundamental rights of almost 1 million of Azerbaijanis out of the 10 million population. Azerbaijan acted independently to implement just the relevant UN Security Council resolutions from 1993. On September 19, 2023, Azerbaijan conducted 24-hour counter-terrorism measures in the Karabakh region to put an end to the existence of illegal Armenian armed forces and fully restored sovereignty across all its territories. I have to especially underline that from the first of our independence, we felt Pakistan's full diplomatic, political support together with our brotherly countries, especially from Turkey to the Republic of Azerbaijan, both in bilateral format and within the framework of the international organizations, and during the occupation of Azerbaijan lands by invader Armenia and their liberation by Azerbaijan, and in the post-conflict period. Availing of this opportunity, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency, Honorable Speaker, Mr. Sardar Ayaz Sadiq, Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan, and his dedicated team for their invaluable support in hosting at the highest level this event at the Parliament. And I'll also extend my sincere appreciation to Mayor Office of Baku, Mr. Sahibzada Sultan Ahmad Ali, Chairman of the Muslim Institute, Mr. Adil Bat, President of the Azerbaijan Trade Center, and Mr. Dr. Muhammad Salim Mazhar, Director General of the National Language Promotion Department, for their outstanding efforts and commitment in translating and helping the Azerbaijan Embassy to publish this book into Urdu language. Thank you very much for your attention, and inshallah, we are another project regarding this book to make it is e-book form and then place in the Pakistan's social networks and the platforms. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you very much for your solidarity. It was extended. Thank you.